The new manufacturing facility where Lotus will build the Evija all-electric hypercar is being readied for the final prototype production. Series production and first customer deliveries of the all-electric two-seater will begin in the summer. Here are a few facts about the Evija. The name means the first in existence, the world's first all-electric British hypercar. At 2000 PS, the world's most powerful series production road car. 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, 0 to 186 miles per hour in under 9 seconds, and a top speed of more than 200 miles per hour.